Hi guys, maniud to ta so mauni gilutuan ko sa akong bana og meatloaf. Nalami ni siya. Pati di pa crispy na ako kay ganan ko kanang crispy bitaw luto siya kaayo. Unya egg. Gusto na ko luto akong egg. Tapos rice. And also he give me wipes. And this is my gingy. So, naapa akong bulak o boy pa siya. So, mga unta, mamahaw. Ito kay udto naman ko kamata. So, mga on. Ay, misi-misi. Siya mag-wag. Mga on. Ito ni ko na itong buhok kay di na ko gusto magababog buhok. Lami kayo ilang meatloaf, guys. Sabi. Pasok pa siya. Of course, siya po nagluto sa akong kanon na meatloaf. Nawa ka araw. Magic! Nga siya.
Not for no $1,300 trip. If it was only one, then you make it an argument. There's many. So I don't know what this guy's talking about.
No, not in isolation. I mean, we're talking about in isolation.
No, I'm not talking about in isolation. I'm talking about what's in Bruce. I don't know what else you may be speculating about.
So,
I'm talking what's in Bruce that
let's
says
eat
this
the
is-
egg.
This is the benefit that she got. And all I'm
Nalagot
saying
na
is
ko ha.
that
Kinamuton
that
ta
kind of
karon.
person is making $200,000, and the benefit that you're putting into the Bruce, not what you can say that you may find elsewhere, but the benefit in the Bruce is I run for $3,300, $4,400.
The rice.
Adding up this and they all these prosecutions to go on a 3 day. Hold on.
Pasok.
Notice that they made up all these prosecutions to just go on this trip, right? It's about the appearance of propriety. But even without that, his argument is that if you could take the trips and isolate them each one, so one trip for $2,500, we're saying that she could have just been that one trip. But that's not the argument at all. The argument is that we have about $20,000 of trips. Give it to
Sayang.
$200,000.